It's Sunday night, and before I do my Stock Lock Sunday, I got a package to open. I'm pretty fucking excited about it because I know what's in there. This package comes all the way from Ames, Iowa, from 2BDCy4D. 2BDCy4D. Met him on Facebook, seen a couple of his custom pics that he made. Asked him if I could offer a little bit of money for him. He said sure. Sent it out to me. Now we're going to open it. I have not opened this thing, but that's what we're going to do today with this knife. Swing. I almost cut myself. I almost cut myself in. I don't even need to cut that. What am I doing? Alright, so la-di-da-di. Relax the potty. Oh, that's what we're doing. Old school. This knife's so freaking sharp, I'm afraid I'll kill myself. "2BDCy4D" is his YouTube handle. I don't think he's making YouTube videos just yet, but we'll see. Oh, I can see it from in there. Oh no, I can't. That's something that is wrapped in. But this is what we got, y'all. I thought it was green. I was like, I don't remember ordering a green one. Look at that. That's pretty damn good packaging right there. Free floating. Kick ass. Kick ass. All right. Wow, look at that. That dude's all right. What a really cool tube he does. Looks like he suspends it in cotton. You guys see this? Oh. And as always, it's more beautiful in person. Look at that. Look at the shine on that thing. Love the, looks like brass rod as rivets. Got a good looking profile. I don't use that profile very many, but I mean that thing just sits in your hand beautifully. Let me compare it to, a lot of lock tools, just so you can see, about how big it is. So it's the same size. I mean, literally, that's the same size as a lot of lock tools, which are my favorite. I love me some law lock tools. Here's a Jeff Burke custom. Oh, almost the same size. Looks like Jeff's maybe a little bit longer. And then you got giggity. You got your Sparrows. I mean, you just see the big difference in these. You just see them. 2BDCy4D, brother. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Really is. Really sits pretty in your hand too. Either way you wanted to do it. Either way. Wow. Just gorgeous. Let me see. Let's see what let me see the thickness on this. What do we got here? 20 thousandths. 20 thousandths for you boys across the pond. What is that, 6 millimeter? 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. It's a really good thickness, I think. That'll get you into some smaller spots and get you going. But 2BDCy4D, brother, gorgeous, just gorgeous. And this is pretty cool too, man. I'll probably send that back to him just for shits and giggles. But yeah, Here he's out. Here he is. He does have a YouTube channel. He's only got 2 subscribers. I don't think he's making YouTubes that much, but I met him on Facebook. So, you know, he asked me not to use his real name, which is cool. This is his YouTube handle. His handle for other different things. So, if you want to get a hold of him, maybe just let me know, and I can shoot him a message, and then you guys can do your own thing. Great looking pick, though. I mean, just a beautiful looking pick, and great feel to it too. I don't see any flaws in it whatsoever. I don't see anything on it. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. 2BDCy4D, brother. Way much, you know, you expect a little bit out of a custom pick, but that's beyond my expectations. So thank you very much. Thank you very. Ooh, so sorry. So sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're okay. Be a big girl. All right, guys. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, hit the subscribe button down there. Love y'all. Peace.